In this video, I want to share one of the easiest screencasting tools that I've found. It's called Screencastify. It is just a Chrome extension. When I say it's a Chrome extension, don't worry. You can also record anything on your desktop with this one. This one's free and easy, and I'm going to give you a quick preview. If you go to Screencastify.com, mine is already installed, but you would just press this button and install it to Chrome if you're using it for the first time, and then it will add the extension. As I just said, you can record a browser tab, but you can also record the desktop. You can also embed a webcam if you would like, and toggle the microphone on and off. Though there is a paid plan, if you're making a video that's 5 minutes or less, then you will probably be okay with the free plan. It will allow you to save right to Google Drive, which is why I really like it, and you can do some video trimming if you need to. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. All you do is click the Chrome extension. Now, I uninstalled it, so hopefully I can show you the setup process again. So here we go. You click the little icon, and then you want to sign in with your Google Drive so that you can automatically save. So you would do that. Sign in with your proper Google account. Go ahead and allow everything. And then when you're ready, you just press the little icon in your toolbar to get started. Now, I'm not going to turn on my webcam. If you're using an external mic, you can choose that. Just like that. And then I usually just record the desktop. And so when I say record the desktop, that just is going to mirror whatever I'm seeing on my screen. So whether you're in a browser tab or you're doing something like a PowerPoint or anything, I like the desktop option. It gives me the chance to go back and forth between different things. I find it the easiest. So that's definitely my recommendation to you. Show more options if you want to have a countdown timer and the drawing tools, which I like to turn on. I'm going to show you that in a second. So then when you're sharing your screen, I like to do, again, your entire screen. If you just want to do a specific application window, you can choose that also, but this is the easiest. There's my countdown. Now I am able to talk, and I can also use these little tools down here. So these were my annotation tools. There is a little focus mode like this if I want to point. That's kind of cool. Now let me turn focus mode off, and then there is the highlight clicks. So if I were to click, it would kind of just, you see how it highlights like that? Let me turn that off. And then there are the pen options, which can be really great if you want to, for example, underline certain things, point out certain things, etc., or even draw on your screen. There is an eraser tool if you need that. If at any time during your recording you need to pause, you can pause. And then when you're ready to resume, you can just press play again. When you're all done, press the stop button. Then you can see it will save to your drive. And here's where you can do some minor editing by just trimming your clip. So all you would do is click on the little scissors and then drag it, and everything in the grayed out region would be trimmed or cut out. So you can drag from the beginning and the end, but not in the middle. And then you would save your trim. Now you can't undo those, so I'm not going to do that right now. And then there is an editor. However, that is a premium feature, but I'll show you what it looks like. This is what the editor looks like. That would give you the ability to cut clips in the middle. However, we want to just keep this really simple. So the free version, you can trim the beginning or the end. And then the best part about this is it's synced right up with your Google Drive, and you can just copy shareable link just like that. And then if I open in another tab, it is just my video in Google Drive, and I can share that. It automatically sets the viewing permissions to anybody with the link can view. So that's just so simple, and that's why I recommend it. Now, you can also download the file if you need to do that. And you can also export animated GIFs or GIFs, however you say it. All right, so that's a very quick little overview of one of the easiest screencasting options that is out there, Screencastify. Bye.